Hello friends, in this lesson I will show you where I put focus keyphrase or keyword. A focus keyphrase or keyword is the main term you want your web page to rank for in Google. The idea is to build your content around your focus keyword so that when someone searches for that, they'll find your pages. The focus keyword must be inside the first paragraph of the content because it is very important for SEO. The term focus keyword is often associated with the Yoast SEO plugins for WordPress, which lets users see how well optimized their content is for a specific key phrase. But SEO practitioner and content marketer use it more, generally refer to primary key phrase targeted on a given page. Focus keyword benefit your SEO effect primarily by signaling to Google that your web page is a relevant match for related search queries. So to maximize organic traffic, it's essential to ensure that you identified a suitable focus keyword when you are created a new pieces of content for your website. Now friends, here is the WordPress dashboard. Now look friends, here SEO are black and white color. When I do completely on-page SEO work, this time it will be show orange or green color. This is article or content, and I scroll down below. This is Yoast SEO plugins. Look, focus key phrase. Now put my main keyword or focus keyword, paste here. So these articles are main or focus keyword, best battery life smartphone. So I copied this and scroll down and paste here. So friends, look, here is now orange color, but before I put here, this time here is not orange color, so I repeat it. So look, this SEO color is red. When I put focus key phrase or keyword, this time it will be show orange color. That means it's upgrade. So now friend, in this way I have to set up focus keyword in WordPress Yoast SEO plugins. Now look friends, before put focus keyword, that's time it will be show black and white color, and now it will be show orange color, and here is okay. This is upgraded. Hope you will be understand. Thank you.